मतलब कि एंड द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द novel what a shitty to character believe had just fallen to the Union Army. विक्की बर्ग है. Where do a Byrd and Ringu hide after a shooting a Yankee horse? अंडर ग्रैनी स्कर्ट है. हाँ. Which slave glowed to a Bayard at the Confederate defeat, then run off the lead. Yankee soldier to the plantation. Lose. What does a granny to what never sees forced to tell a lie? See, kneel and pay for a forgiveness. What a family treasure does a granny insist that the slave unbury and bring to her room the night before her journey to Memphis. Her auntie Rebecca carrying है sorry a chest of a silver है. How does a Uncle Buck and Uncle Beauty decide which one of them would go to war? A poker game है. What does a Colonel Sartoris do to his accidental Yankee captives? Let them escape है. How does a Colonel Sartoris evade the hierarchy when they come looking for him at the plantation है. Pretends to be a hillbilly है. Where does the Sartoris family live after the house in burned? In the slave cabin है. What happened to the young slave woman who is described by the other whilst journeying to the river? She rejoined them with help from Granny है. What is the name of a Yankee colonel who write an order granting Granny dozen of a slave and mules? Colonel Dick है. Who is responsible for scouting out the position of the Union troops so Granny can contest her scam? Ringo है. How do Granny and the boys escape from the furious Union soldier after being caught in their fraud? They disappear into the wood है. Where does a Granny distribute money and mules to the local poor people in a church है. Where is a gloomy hideout? An abundant cotton compress है. Where do Uncle Buck the boy begin their search from Grumpy to the south in Mississippi है. What does Uncle Buck live Bayard and Ringo after they have captured Ape Snopes? His arm is infected from a bullet wound है. What do Bayard and Ringo nails to Granny grave marker? A human heart है. Who was Gramin Breakbridge? Drusilla France है. What does Drusilla wear to the election showdown in Jefferson? A wedding gown है. What kind of a business did Colonel Sartoris and Ben Redmond enter together? A railroad है. Who wants Bayard not to kill Redmond for the sake of other respect? Auntie Jenny है. What does Raymond do after shooting at the Bayard? Board a train out of a town है. What does Drusilla live on a Bayard pillow at the end of a novel? A spring of verbena है. What is the real life town upon which Jefferson is modeled? Oxford. How does Faulkner subdivide the unvanished into 7 episodes? Granny scam the enable her and Ab Snoop to trade in a smothered mules. What do Bayard and Uncle Buck track down and kill Granby? Granby killed Granny. What event details and wedding that Aunt Lausa planned for Drusilla and Coronel Sartoris, a local election? How does a Barrett respond to Ben Redmond killing of a Colonel Sartoris? Sartoris confronts him मतलब कि unarmed who destroy the battle map that Bayard and Ringo draw in the dust. Loose. How does a Granny Millard greet her son Colonel Sartoris when he returned home from battle? Historically, what do Bayard and Ringo do with the knowledge that Luce known about the Confederate defect at Vicksburg? Spy on him. Where does Granny hide Bayard and Ringo when they tell her that they shoot a Union soldier under the skirt? According to a Union soldier, what harm did Bayard and Ringo do by shooting another Union soldier? They killed a horse. Where does Granny plan to take the boy and the silver for safekeeping? Memphis. What does Granny make her slave do with the trunk of a silver the night before departing for Memphis? Carry it to her room. Who do the Colonel Sartoris, Sartoris and the boy accidental run into their way back to the plantation? The Yankee mule thieves. Who does a Colonel Sartoris pretend to be when the Union soldier ride up to his farm looking for him? A partially deaf hillbilly है. What does Luce take with him when he lives with the Yankee soldier? Granny Silver है. What does Granny plan to demand from colonels मतलब नैनीताल the Nanial drink of a Otho cavalry, the stolen silver and mules? What is a Bayard disappointed to find destroyed near is auntie and uncle Pretinians, the railroad? According to Drusilla, what outcome will Union troops ensure by burning the bridge after their retreat? Slave will stay behind. What does Drusilla request that Bayard asks him father whether she can enlist? How does a colonial Dick respond to Granny demand for the silver, the mills and loose Philadelphia grant more than a Granny demand? To whom? To Granny and Ab. Ab is no pace. Sell the hundred of a mules they a requisition from the USA Army. The USA Army है who captured letter मतलब letterhead and execute the forgeries necessary for a Granny scam. Ringo. How do Granny and Bayard escape when the Yanni soldier comfort Granny about the scam? Ringo creates a division है. What has Granny been doing with the profit of her scam? giving loan to neighbors. What does granny do that profit Grum, Grumpy independents to kill her, tries to scam them. Scam them. What does the well-dressed stranger try to prevent the search party from doing? Finding Gumpy. What does the well-dressed stranger do to Uncle Buck? Shoot him non-fatality. Fatally. Who does the search party find tied up to a tree by the side of the trail? अब मतलब कि अब स्नोप्स है. हाउ डज ए बायार्ड एंड रिंगो इवेंटुअली मैनेज टू कैच अप विद ग्रैम्फी द इंडिपेंडेंस बेटे गेम्फी है. What do Bayard and Ringo attach to Gany Grave a marker in a Jefferson Grimfy right hand है. What does a auntie मतलब Louisa incite Dracula do the uphold appearance after a fighting with Cornelius Sartori's truth. Mary Connolly Sartori's है. What does a मिसिस मतलब कि हैबरसम ऑफर a Dracula sympathy for a causing Dracula to run off and cry. Dracula condition है. According to Ringo, what have the Burton come from मतलब वो के Missouri to do मतलब कि organize black water है. What to Dracula wearing a when she help a coronel Sartori's prevent the election of a cases. Bibo Bibo a former slave. Her wedding grown है. Who does a Colonel Sartori's murder before stealing the ballot box? The burden है. Where is a Byron when he received the news of his father's death? The University of Mississippi है. What was the origin of a Colonel Sartori's found with Ben Redmond, a business partnership? What does Desula hand Bayard as he look at his father's dead body? ड्यूलिंग पिस्टल भी है, आई स्प्रिंग ऑफ है, वर्बेना भी है. What does a Ben Redmond do after a fairing twice at a Bayard? Lives Jefferson forever. Who does a Bayard find has left when he returned to the house after sleeping at the Shriek bottom? The Dracula, which of the following attribute is a not characteristic of a Bayard Sartoris? Costiness है. Costiness in what way is a Ringo significantly different from a Bayard? Ringo was born a slave, unlike Luce and Philadelphia. What does a मतलब Lavinia not desire freedom? What larger a social class does a Faulkner represent? Unfavorably thou the character of Ab Snob है. मतलब अब स्नोब पुअर वाइट साउथरन है. हु प्रेशर देसुला टू मतलब के एडर्स टू द नॉर्म एंड एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ ए फेमिनिटी. आंट लाउसा है. वॉट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन डज ए बेयार्ड अंडरगो ओवर द कोर्स ऑफ ए नॉवल फ्रॉम विलन टू हीरो, फ्रॉम स्लेव होल्डर टू ए एबिलिटी है. What a social मतलब possibility does a Bayard represent in an odor of a verbena? A new moral order है. What best explain the novel? Explain the novel मतलब exaggerated the मतलब कि idealization of a colonel Sartorius. Bayard youthful perspective है. Which term best describe the imagination womanly ideal that Granny embody? Brave and insourceful है. What respect of a Desula character of a difficult to account for her sudden transformation? What like aspect of a Bayard development does a Faulkner focus on the unvanquished? His moral development है what them has become important for a contemporary reader despite Faulkner tendency to minimize it a historically important race है. Which of the novel formal feature in a like inescapable from Faulkner Civil War motif? Setting भी है, character भी है, plot भी है. What stage in a Bayard life does a Faulkner narrate with the occasional comic passage his childhood? What does a silver represent to Gany? Continuity, continuity with the past.